A new day, a new project, a new fix, hopefully. Look, I have this lamp for, let's say, 2 months or something, and I can tell you that after 2 weeks it was not working anymore. Bright new. I called the shop. It was a internet shopping something, and they will replace my lamp. Lucky me. Just ask them what I'm gonna do with this one. I said, we don't care. Okay, so as long as you don't care, so I'll try to fix it. So why not? Let's take a look together. Well, first of all, please don't do that, because here we are talking about live mains. This is working with 230 volts, and it's pretty dangerous. So please do open it up only and only if you know what you are doing. Hopefully, I know. We'll see later. Don't call the ambulance yet, but I'm pretty sure that I have enough expertise to deal with this kind of stuffs. Let's open it up. It's 100 watts LED lamp. It's a generic IP66, and in fact it's very bright, you know. I'm using this like a kind of, how can I say, warning lights behind my house. This is glass, pure glass. Nice. Be careful with that. Silicone gasket. Nice. Let me have the reflector or mirror out. This is a very thin aluminum something, so be careful with that. Lots of LEDs. Let me work with my new Kwitz KM601. Really nice multimeter. I already see what's wrong with this guy. These two are blown. Oh, let's take it row by row. You see, that's nice about this KM601. It have enough power to light the LEDs, and this is wonderful. Beautiful. Good. I think these LEDs are in series, and if one it's out, then all of them are out. Look, so it's looking like this one. It's out too. Let me mark it. Or it's shorted. No. You see, they should light together. Okay, okay, okay. Another one here. So maybe it's not enough voltage to light them both. Anyway, these two are very clear out because I can see here. It's a very thin black dot. This one and this one. You see the black dot? That's very clear. So those are kaput for sure. What else? This one is not. They should light in pairs. Another one here. Okay. Oh my. Another one here. Alright. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And of course these two ones which have to be replaced too. Okay. We are in business. Exactly what I was looking for. Some replacement diodes. Let me try to get this out with the hot air station. We'll go like, I can go to 500 in fact, because we need a lot of heat. Maximum. Perfect. This is hot, really hot. Okay, so let me get rid of these bad ones and let me have a really dodgy fix. Okay, we can have a piece of wire here to there. Of course, it's not a proper fix because now we'll have much more voltage to each cell there. Okay. Before anything else, let me have a quick test. Like I said, it's not a good idea because we're gonna have a higher voltage to all of this, and that's not good. But I don't have the right cells, and hopefully I'll find some. Okay guys, like I said before, be really careful because this is live power, so let's go for it. Oh man, It's so bright. It's too bright, in fact. I know, plus it's in the middle. So if I have this on minus here, and we apply plus here, we should have light. I don't know if you understand what I'm doing here, but I'm trying to find which is plus. Okay, minus. If it's lighting, no, the other way. Okay, so that's a plus. Okay, one more. Do we need some more? Of course. And two more here. Anyway, needs a lot of air and a lot of temperature to have this done. A little help. Oh, come on. That's nuts. It's not enough power. This board is huge. It's already cold, so that's why it needs a lot of temperature, a lot of heat. We'll do that with a hot gun. Nice. Oh, this is nuts. Okay, one more. We are getting somewhere, but I need some more of this. Well, something like this. Let's wait to cool down and we can give a test. Yeah, that should be okay. Anyway, this is a huge board that needs a lot of heat. I couldn't do it without the heat gun. And of course the moment of truth, red it's plus and minus. And is it working? What do you say? Because I don't know if it is working. Oh, something burns already. Yes, but which of them? Oh, these two are burned. You know what I can do? So they are in pairs, let's say. So these two are burned. I can take one from here and put it there. So they are in pairs. So I'm gonna take one and one and replace them with okay. Maybe I should get rid of half of them and have just a half of the lamp running, because they've been in pair here. This is bad. Yes, that one is bad. This one is gone too. Okay, let's give it a try. Well, it's cold enough. Let's go. Yes, there is no chance. There is no chance to have this running, you know, as long as I don't have the right parts. Another one just blew up. Is this one there? Can see it here already. Maybe I'll do some other thing. Just take half of them out. Okay, so now we have only a 50 watts lamp. That should be okay, of course. Instead of nothing, and what's nice, I have lots of LEDs for further repairs. Seems okay. So what I have done, I just took out half of the LEDs. We don't have 100 watts anymore, we have 50, because they've been in parallel here on this board. Okay, it should work. What do you think? I think so. Let's go. Another one bites the dust. This one here. Well, guys, this is a, how can I say, never ending story. So it's gone. Let me try a trick. Let me have a diode. Perfect. Power in and nothing. Okay. Let me try the other way. Now it's just not working. No diode then. And now we'll blow again for sure. Okay. 1, 2, 3. And nothing. Why? Is there any other blown diode here? Let's see again. This one is gone. So that one is gone. One last try. So I know it's not working for sure, but at least we have fun. And yes, it's over. Is this one here? I can already see it. And you know, guys, because I'm already here and I already have all these things together, let me take all the LEDs out and save it for next repair or something. That's nothing else to do with this board. Okay, so that's it, people. Unfortunately, it was not a fix today. If I could have spare parts, of course I could fix it, but at least now I have some LEDs for the next fix. And that's it. Sometime it's happening, so you can't fix everything. But anyway, thank you for watching the video, and please like, subscribe, and don't forget to have fun. Bye bye.